YouTube. This is my San Jose Earthquakes, MLS San Jose Earthquakes autographs, and here's the book that you get in a game, and I got John Bush's autograph. And my 8x10s, I got Wondolowski, and Corrales, same, and Simeon Dawkins. Those are my 8x10s, and now for my book that I got recently, I got Beitashour, Alexander, Beanham, John Bush, Chavez, Corrales, Cronin, Dawkins, Sam Gonza, Alan Gordon, Huntsack, Ring, Brad Ring, Corey Stevenson, I can't pronounce his name, Xavier, and Chris Wondolowski. And that is it. Thank you, and please subscribe or comment. Thank you.